Hey friends, if you encounter Microsoft Store error 0x80073d0a on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the status of the Windows Defender Firewall service. And how would you do that? Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to the Windows Defender Firewall service. Okay. Right click on it and then select restart if you have that option, but in many cases you won't have that option. It will be started by default. The next one is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Very easy. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. This will open the Microsoft Store. The next solution is to re-register the Microsoft Store apps. So we have a command line for you. All you need to do is copy it. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator and then paste it here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.